If you are wondering whether Madden NFL 27 works on Steam Deck, then right now things are not really looking very promising. If we check the Steam store page, the game currently only shows Steam Deck compatibility as unknown, which basically means Valve still hasn't tested or officially approved the game for Steam Deck yet. And normally, if a game runs properly on Steam Deck, Steam will usually label it as either verified or playable before launch. Now the bigger issue here is that older Madden NFL games already had a lot of problems on Steam Deck. For example, Madden NFL 25 and Madden NFL 26 are both marked as unsupported. A lot of players also reported launcher issues, anti-cheat problems, crashes during startup, or the game simply refusing to open at all on Steam Deck. So because of that, there is a pretty high chance Madden NFL 27 could end up having the same kind of problems as previous Madden games. Now of course, things could always improve later through updates, Proton fixes, or community patches, but at launch, there's currently no official confirmation that Madden NFL 27 will run properly on Steam Deck. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.